What do you do when you pray for something for years and nothing changes? What if your hair turns white, your strength fades, and hope feels almost painful? Would you still believe Allah is listening? Tonight, we learn from a prophet whose patience redefined faith, Prophet Zakariya alayhi salam. Prophet Zakariya alayhi salam was not a king. He was not wealthy. He lived quietly, serving Allah inside Bayt al-Maqdis, Jerusalem. Yet Allah immortalized his story in the Qur'an, not for miracles alone, but for patience when everything looked impossible. Zakariya alayhi salam dedicated his life to worship and service. He was the guardian of Maryam alayhi salam, the mother of Isa alayhi salam. Every day he entered her prayer chamber, and every day he saw something strange. Whenever Zakariya entered her chamber, he found with her provision. Surah Aal-e-Imran 3:37. Out-of-season fruits, food no human could explain. When he asked, Maryam replied, "It is from Allah. Indeed, Allah provides without measure." That moment shook his heart. If Allah could provide sustenance without means, could he also grant a child without possibility? Zakariya alayhi salam was very old. His wife was barren. Biologically, impossible. Socially, hopeless. Emotionally, heavy. But his pain was not worldly. He feared that after his death, people would abandon the message of Allah. So he turned to Allah, quietly, humbly, broken. "My Lord, indeed my bones have weakened, and my head has filled with white hair." Surah Maryam 19:4. Notice something powerful here. He didn't complain. He didn't demand. He simply confessed his weakness. Zakariya alayhi salam made his dua in secret. He called upon his Lord with a private supplication. Surah Maryam 19:3. Why secretly? Because sincere duas don't need an audience. Because broken hearts speak softly. Then he said, "So grant me from yourself an heir." Surah Maryam 19:5. Not from the world, not from medicine, but from you, O Allah. This is tawakkul at its highest level. Then came the moment that changes everything. "O Zakariya, we give you glad tidings of a son whose name will be Yahya." Surah Maryam 19:7. A son. A name chosen by Allah himself, a child never given to anyone before. Zakariya, listen Saddam, was stunned. He asked, not in doubt, but in awe, "How can I have a son when my wife is barren and I have reached extreme old age?" Surah Maryam 19:8. Allah replied, "Thus it will be. It is easy for me." Surah Maryam 19:9. Allah gave Zakariya as-Salatam a sign. "Your sign is that you will not speak to people for 3 nights, though sound in health." Surah Maryam 19:10. Silence, not punishment. Silence, preparation. Sometimes Allah silences the tongue to strengthen the heart. Lesson 1. Delay is not denial. Zakariya, waited decades. Allah was not ignoring him. Allah was preparing something greater. Lesson 2. Make dua even when it feels impossible. Your situation doesn't limit Allah. Your age doesn't limit Allah. Your past doesn't limit Allah. Lesson 3. Private du'as are powerful. Some du'as are too sacred to be shared. If you feel forgotten, if you feel tired of waiting, remember Zakariya salam. When everything said no, Allah said, be, and it happened. Indeed, your Lord is gentle and most merciful. Like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.